Time to put on some break-in miles on the new DR650. First, let's get rid of some stuff. Completed the typical mods, including performance, ergonomics, and protection. I'm happy to say that it runs and rides completely better than when I picked it up in its stock form. Now that I'm in my 60s, it's not about how fast I can go or how much I can tear it up, but having a bike capable, making my adventure rides fun and exciting. For a mid-size dual-sport adventure bike, the DR is capable, lightweight, and fun, but it's also reliable. And reliability is especially important because I plan to take this thing far out and deep into the mountains and nature. The break-in miles are just about complete. This thing will have no problem getting me out of town and out in the middle of nowhere. Looking forward to new adventures. Should be fun.